Tired of losing touch with tradition? Wouldn't it be amazing to see ancient crafts thrive in a digital world? A blend of heritage and innovation? Meet Srishti Crafts Creations. We offer a platform that revives traditional crafts, bringing artisans and modern technology together. How it works. With Srishti Crafts Creations, artisans showcase their skills, while customers enjoy unique, handcrafted items. We provide a digital marketplace, connect artisans directly with buyers, support local crafts and sustainable practices. Our platform is user-friendly, making it easy to explore and purchase. Experience the beauty of craftsmanship at your fingertips. Plus, each purchase supports local communities. With Srishti Crafts Creation, you'll enjoy authentic, handcrafted products, a connection to culture and tradition, unique pieces that tell a story. Support artisans and their families. Experience the joy of sustainable shopping. Contribute to the revival of heritage. Discover a variety of crafts, from textiles to pottery. Each item is a masterpiece. Sounds intriguing? Explore the future of craftsmanship.